Microsoft of Microsoft Office Excel. Excel is basically a spreadsheet program in Microsoft Office. You can record and analyze numerical and statistical data. Excel 2021, being a spreadsheet program, uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Excel contains features that allow you to carry out several operations such as calculations, graph tools, tables, macro programming, and any more. Here are some important features of Excel 2021: online subscription, custom visuals, custom functions, full SVG graphics, 3D models with full rotation, XLOOKUP function, more images, icons, backgrounds, and templates, ideas, black theme, split columns to rows. This is a new feature in Power Query where each delimiter generates a new row. Funnel chart, co-authoring features. Importance of Excel 2021. Preparation of financial data, mathematical formulas, online storage and access, easy and effective comparison, co-authoring, improved security, creating forms. Excel start screen. When you will open MS Excel, it will like that. Recent files, left navigation pane, right pane, etc. In left navigation pane, your most recent files, Excel workbook user interface, quick access, toolbar. These buttons are in quick access toolbar. This tool is located above the Excel ribbon, and by default it contains commonly used commands such as save, save as, undo, redo. Quick access toolbar can be customized by adding any other commonly used command to it. Clicking on Customize Quick Access Toolbar button located beside the Quick Access Toolbox button. This is your Customize Quick Access Toolbar ribbon. You must have to understand this terminology if you want to learn Excel. This contains most of commonly used command in Excel. They are displayed on the Excel interface in tabs ranging from the Home tab to the View tab. This one. Formula bar. The formula bar is located at the top of the Excel worksheet window. It has 3 parts: cell name, formula bar button, and the contents of your formula. Name box, formula button, formula bar. These three buttons are in enter function, insert function, and cancel. Worksheet area. This is your worksheet area in which rows and columns. This is the area that contains all the cells in the current worksheet. The worksheet is identified by column headings with letters at the top, rows headings with numbers on the left edge, with tabs for making selections. These are your columns denoted by capital letters, column A, B, C, D, etc. And these are your rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to so on. Status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of your worksheet. These buttons are in your status bar. Status bar keeps you abreast of the current model of Excel worksheet you are engaged with. Status bar also contains the worksheet views and zoom tool for zooming in and zooming out of the worksheet. Now, Windows control buttons: maximize, minimize, and close. The window controls are used to control the main Excel window. The window controls contain three buttons: maximize, restoring the window, and closing the window. Ribbon display options. Ribbon display option button is located top of Excel window, and when clicked on, three options are displayed: auto hide, show tab, horizontal scroll bar, and vertical scroll bar. You may already be familiar with these scroll bars. Navigation through Excel ribbon. Excel ribbon is a row of tabs, buttons, icons located at the top of the Excel window. These tabs, icons, and buttons are categorized based on their functions or categories. Components of Excel ribbons. Excel ribbons components are tabs, groups, buttons, dialog box, launcher, tabs, file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout, formula tab, data tab, review tab, view tab, developer tab, and help tab. Groups. Groups contains related commands, buttons which are arranged into subtasks. Each contain button, submenu, and dialog launchers. Command buttons. These are tools in the group that are used to execute an action in the worksheet. The command buttons in the tab are organized into mini toolbars. This one. Dialog box launcher. Dialog box launcher is located at the right bottom corner of each group. Like this one is font group, and if I click on this, it will open font dialog box. It has many tabs: number tab, alignment, font, border, fill, protection, and its alignment group, number group, style group, cell group, editing group, and this one is clipboard. Customizing the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located above the Excel ribbon and by default contains the following four buttons: autosave, save, undo, redo. You can add more buttons in this quick access toolbar by clicking the customize access toolbar button located beside the quick access toolbox button. By default, quick access toolbar is located at the top left corner of the Excel application, and it can also be moved under the ribbon area by clicking on the customize access toolbar and then click on show below. Quick access toolbar is above the ribbon, and in this picture, quick access toolbar is below the button, below the ribbon. Sorry. Basics of Excel. Worksheet is a collection of organized cells in rows and columns where data are stored, updated and manipulated. A worksheet contains so many rows and so many columns. The worksheet, also known as spreadsheet. You can create a worksheet by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of the document window. This one, and so many sheets according to your need you can add. Understanding rows, columns and cell address. Rows are part of the Excel worksheet identified by numbers. Rows are part of the Excel worksheet identified by numbers ranging from 1 to 1,048,576 rows. The total number of rows in Excel is 1,048,576 rows. Columns. Columns are part of Excel worksheet identified by letters from A to XFD. The total number of columns in Excel is 16,384. Cell address. The cell address, otherwise known as the cell reference, is an alphanumerical value. This cell reference number is A1. This is cell A1. It's showing us that A is the column and 1 is the row. Column A, row second. Column A, row third. And you can click any cell and cell name is shown here. What kind of data a worksheet accepts? Labels, values, formulas. Labels are otherwise known as text values. These are numbers, be it whole, zero, decimal places. Values also included the date. Formulas, commands on Excel to execute calculations. You can add data in Excel in two ways: directly enter data or enter it in formula bar. Editing the worksheet data. You can edit your worksheet data by either replacing the cell's content, delete the characters in the cell entry, or insert new characters in the cell entry. Now let's quickly learn how these can be done. Replacing a cell's content. Place the cell pointer in the cell. Start typing the new entry over it, and the new entry will replace the original entry. Deleting characters in a cell entry. You can deleting the characters in a cell. Place the insertion point in the cell entry using the formula bar, double clicking in the cell or pressing F2. Move the insertion point using the home and left or right arrow keys. Then use the backspace or delete keys to delete the characters. And now I can delete. Press F2 and delete. Or double click and delete. Copying and moving data in a worksheet cell. While working on the worksheet, there may be need to copy or move the